Lode yaita kirono kaiman mani choria ko Uganda ko yaita inaprano ka Uganda People's Defense Forces ido kupolo ikinta kirono ka Fisheries Protection Unit Dick Kaija Kiria ngesta jai e utaimoro kira aloka kotumna aiboist kana Kaija ngesbera bu ogeu esiana kina aloka kanuka yunda be perote aitrota ina petano jokak e utaza etosomo echor.
First of all, they should know that the lake cannot give you fish from January to December. There'll be seasons where the catches are low and seasons where the catches are high. So the fisherman needs to know that he should have little money on the land like sweet potatoes, a garden for sweet potatoes, cassava, and even a cow or a goat, so that when he goes there to hunt for wild fish and is unfortunate that he has not got, he should be able to feed on from his garden.
Jimmy Ochaka, Lode Yat man Ichoria, Ko Jaida Kutomono Docket Locos Sangai, Nisalim Daebe, Hadaukes Ecwea Iloketa, Kape Itumotora Ekisil.
It's 110, monofilament is 2,000 pieces, the small gears is 500 pieces, those are the nets we have burned. Then the cast net or tupa, there were 56. The legal boats today actually we did not ban because the way you are seeing our environment, we use all the legal boats.
Legal fishing gears, especially in this particular area, Kalachi, it is mostly the beach signs which are locally made. So the local fishermen abuse them by turning them into raw material of making local beach sign called the cocotags.
Konye LC Iloketem loko chelakur. Kenes edosu epilungesta bukolim daeba kirat na ikamara keda Ecwea Iloketa neze raibore na jok.
So what I can only tell Ugandans is that we should adhere to the government instructions and policies. The government is trying to remove the illegalities from the lake so that our livelihood, our standard of living gets improved.
Aloka kaluipulu egitigita kesta jasi kanuka da sesen eutada Ecwea Iloketa lumamda ekisil echamai.
Kwaobe jamete tembo patrolina kiwek ngachi kokono e bibin kede deke okopiwe kada wood kede sente mora mero mokuoke.
Ikonywa miwa loans mawar project maweka wirja measurement mito ya kikile.
For me, I want the fisheries protection unit to be added in the waters of Uganda, so that the illegal fishing gears are wiped off completely.
What I want the government to do to continue removing the illegal fishing gear in the lake, such that we can get enough money to maintain development in Uganda.
Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kokalaki District.